In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email multiple invoices at once in QuickBooks Online. This is a great feature that can save you a lot of time, especially if you frequently manage a large volume of invoices. First, you'll need to make sure you have a QuickBooks Online account. If you're not signed up yet, head over to QuickBooks' website to create your account. Once you have your account set up, it's time to sign in. Enter your credentials and click on the Sign In button. If you are already using QuickBooks, you'll simply have to enter your details and password and then continue through the login process until you reach your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you will need to choose the company file you want to work with. Navigate to the main dashboard and click on Sales located in the left-hand menu. This will direct you toward the sales page where you can access all your invoices. Now, go ahead and click on Invoices to bring up your full list of invoices. This is where you will manage your email tasks. Before sending out invoices, you'll want to narrow down the list to only the invoices you intend to email. Use the search bar or filter options to refine your selection by status, customer, or date range. This step ensures that you only send the relevant invoices to the right recipients. Once you've filtered your list, you can proceed with selecting multiple invoices by checking the boxes next to each invoice. Feel free to select as many as you need, whether for different customers or varying invoice statuses. With your invoices selected, it's time to take action. Find the Batch Actions dropdown at the top of the list. Click on it and select Send. QuickBooks will then generate a preview window for each email, which gives you a wonderful opportunity to review all the important details before sending them out. Here you can check that the email addresses are correct, review subject lines, and ensure that the message content aligns with what you want to convey. You can even customize these elements if you see fit. Finally, with everything set, hit the Send button to dispatch all your selected invoices at once. QuickBooks will confirm as soon as they are successfully sent. After sending, it's always a good idea to track the status of your invoices. You can return to the Invoices page to check their updated statuses, whether they are marked as sent, viewed, or even paid. Keeping tabs on these statuses will help you maintain accurate financial records and ensure follow-ups as needed with ease. By using these steps, you can efficiently manage your invoicing process, saving you time and helping better manage your business operations. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing with QuickBooks Online.